Today, I would like to share a story with you. Recently, we have had a big snowstorm, and over a period of about 36 hours, there's been about 24 inches of snow, and our streets are filled with snow, and our car was stuck in the snow. And because of alternate side street parking, we have to move the car every day so the snowplow can get through. But, well, you know, the day it snowed a lot, there was blizzard, and we weren't able to move the car. And we thought, okay, well, let's just keep it there and risk it so that hopefully they won't come and tow the car. But the tow truck came the next day, and so we had to move the car. And it was actually my first time to shovel snow for some reason. I've been so lucky throughout the years where I lived in extremely cold climates. So this time I had to chip in and help out, and again, every day since 2 days ago, I've been doing that. And while I was shoveling, I realized something. It reminds me of the weight loss journey. When I looked at the accumulated snow, I thought about weight loss and the fat cells. When we are losing weight, oftentimes we want to just lose all of it in one go. And I am not an experienced shuffler. So what I did initially on the first evening, I just tried to shuffle a huge amount and dump the snow on the side. And because the weight of the snow and my impatience to get rid of it, I just overstretched my muscle, and my chest hurts. The muscles around my ribs was sort of injured in a way, mini tears in there, and it still hurts today. But that was a big mistake. So I learned, and I started to do it systematically and plan out so that there will be eventually enough space for the car to move. But I have to shuffle away the snow strategically and layer by layer, bit by bit. And it does take a long time. Like today, I spent almost 45 minutes doing that. And it was such a great workout, but my heart was beating really fast. So anyway, I was thinking about that as an analogy to weight loss. We may be very impatient to lose a lot of weight in one go, and when that doesn't happen overnight, and then we look at the scale and feel disappointed or disheartened. But the snow, in this case, did not accumulate in a few hours. It's accumulated for 36 hours, and I didn't take care of it earlier on. So it's a lot, and of course, it would take time to get rid of it. And then at the same time, my technique was actually not great. The tool I had was not so helpful. I mean, it helped me to get rid of bigger chunks, but for the more precision, shuffling, I didn't realize that I could have used a different shuffle that's, triangular shape, smaller and heavier. So suddenly, when I was shoveling a contract worker, drove by, he was helping the neighborhood to clean up, and he offered help. And he took out this small shovel and started helping me. And lo and behold, he was done in 5, 10 minutes, and I was amazed. And that made me realize that having the right tool and having help is really important. When you're going through a weight loss journey, the same thing applies. You may want to do it your own way. You might have done that all along, but you were not seeing results, and then you got discouraged, and then you just gave up. Now that you are very clear about what you want and about your goal, both short term and long term, so keep plowing, keep shoveling. And when you see your weight fluctuating, this is only a short-term phenomenon. Slow and steady always wins. So keep your eyes on the ball and keep shuffling. And in this case, when you focus on nourishing your body and giving the body the right conditions and the healthy conditions, you will give it a chance to detox, get rid of the toxins, and at the same time, the fat will also melt away. So, of course, exercise will be an important part. So, I will be talking about this in more detail later, how different blood types are suited to different exercises and what types of exercises will help you lose weight more efficiently.